Hey guys, welcome back. I've got some huge, great, outstanding news for you guys and for me. It's an exciting time right now. And you saw on the thumbnail I was holding the ProTech. I'm squinting because I can't see if it's focusing or not because I'm not focusing. Anyway, I've got this package here from ProTech. And what's so exciting about that is that I'm officially a dealer of ProTech model parts or model products or detail products. Yeah, it's official. So I'm going to have a website and everything. Well, I've already got it at this point when you see this video, but it's not complete yet. I'm still putting everything in it, trying to work the bugs out. When you actually put a website together in a day and a half, it's definitely got some bugs in it. But yeah, this is exciting for me. It opens up new worlds of opportunities. So maybe by the end of this week, today at the filming of this, at least it's Monday, the 13th of November. And I plan, hopefully by the weekend, to have the website up and going and offer at least all of the 124th, 125th line of parts. Now, with that said, I was looking at the website today. I put my stock in there, and then I looked at the actual website and it said, few remain. Like I'm almost sold out already. It cost money to, I'm not, like you don't know that, but Charlie over at ProTech doesn't give this stuff away. He offers a dealer, a dealer price, and if you're an authorized dealer, you get a little bit of a discount. And I can only afford so much, so at first there's not going to be a lot of stock. I tried to get a few more of the things that I felt that would be more popular, but yeah, as time goes on, hopefully I can build and build and build the stock, and then carry the 1/16th, 1/18th, and there's a few 1/43rd parts as well. But yeah, it's exciting. Like I say, it's opening up new doors of opportunity for me. What's the coolest thing about this is my daughter Ellie, 14 years old. She's gonna have a job, and her job is to pack those orders. So don't just think of me when you're buying this stuff. Just think of, you're supporting a 14-year-old young lady to have a job, and I think that's so cool. She's very meticulous. She's perfect for it. She's afraid 100,000 times percent crazy afraid of a camera. So I tried to get her out here and so you guys, you know who Ellie is. You've seen her on my videos. She just doesn't talk, and she's deadly afraid of a camera. So that's who's going to be doing it. Obviously at first we'll be doing it together so I can show her how to do everything, and hopefully there won't be too many hiccups in the system. I already had some, I was trying to do some test buys. I was buying for myself, and I couldn't get some shipping options to work properly. But anyway, I am going to offer a free shipping if you buy so much. You'll get free shipping, and I think I'm going to have some giveaways for some of the early buyers, just to get this thing rolling. I'm thinking the very first order is going to get something, and then maybe continue to do that periodically. Just something to make it fun and keep this hobby, model car videos, associated with the website. So I think it's going to be great. Tell me what you think. I know that ProTech, it's some awesome stuff. I've only heard great things about it. I've used very little detailing things. I've used spark plug wires and things like that, but from what I hear, Charlie over at ProTech has the best braided hoses that you can find, and people just love that stuff. So anyway, I'm officially a ProTech dealer with a website. I'm just not going to throw that website out there yet because it is live, but I don't want anybody going on it yet because it's not complete. And the reason I have it live is so I can interact with it and test it out and things like that. But very soon I'll have another video with the details on that, and maybe some giveaway stuff for like the first person that orders. So hey, if you want to if you want to go ahead and get in line, the first person that orders is going to get something special. And yeah, it's going to be fun. Thank you to Charlie over at ProTech for offering that venture to me, and thankfully I had some money rolled up in a sock. I'm just joking. I'm just glad that I had the means to get started. So again, it's going to start small, and hopefully it will grow and then branch out in some other directions. Also would like to try to do a little bit of 3D printing and sell some small 3D printed parts. I'm working with Miguel over at Hobbyworks to be able to sell some of his products or print some of his files and work like that. This is all new to me, so if you guys have any suggestions, just throw them out there in the comments, and we'll see how this goes. But yeah, it's exciting. And ProTech, from the little bags to the bigger bags, and this is that braided hose, which I'd bought it at JaxCon last year, and I haven't even used it yet. But I'm just, I got to venture. I've got to. Hey, if I have a room stocked full of ProTech stuff, I shouldn't have any excuse then. But anyway, hey guys, thanks for all you do, and this is going to be fun. I'm hoping that it will be a success. Again, most importantly, I'm hoping that Ellie will be able to earn her a paycheck and have some spending money, but it will all depend on you guys coming over and checking out what's there and maybe buying something. Give her a job, keep her busy, and we'll see you soon. Hey, as always, with all that said, don't forget to go over to Hobby Nut Models. Check out Mark's inventory over there. He and I had a great conversation about me going this direction, and our partnership or his sponsorship will remain, and we're going to work together through that. But don't forget to go check out hobbynutmodels.com. It's always linked in the description of the video, as well as the my Patreon members. Guys, thanks so much for your support, and we'll have a live stream coming up really soon. Can't put it off any longer. I got to do it. But you guys are great. Thank you so much for your support. Don't forget, if you hadn't already, hit the like button. Tell me what you think about my venture, and wish me luck, okay? It's going to be fun. All right, guys, take care. We'll see you.